Hi, we are team number 5. Our team members are Juan Carlos, Diego Aguayo, Alan Israel, María José, Jesus Antonio, Marco López. And our topic is Animal Kingdom. Division. Division is a taxonomic rank in biological classification that is used differently in the zoology and in botany. In botany and mycology, divisions refer to a rank equivalent to phylum. Botany, also called plant science, is the science of plants, life, and a branch of biology. Mycology deals with the study of fungi, including their genetic and biochemical properties. Its taxonomy has a role in the use of the human as a source of tinder, traditional medicine, food, as well as their dangers such as toxicity or infection.
Now we have the subdivisions. Some examples of these are the phylum Labyrinthomorpha is characterized by the so-called apical complex, a set of polar rings, Rhopteria, Micronemes, and microtubules, etc. Distinguishable by electron microscope, they lack cilia, their sexuality in syngamy, and they are all parasites. Another example is the phylum Microspora, that these are a group of fungi that are intracellular parasites of animals. There are about 80,000 species described, also as protists and also as fungi. And another example is the phylum Apicomplexa. They are unicellular, eukaryotic, and heterotrophic organisms. They are characterized by having an apical complex.
Another subdivisions in Animalia kingdom are the subkingdom Metazoa, which comprises all animals that have cells differentiated with special cells. Another one, phylum Cnidaria. Cnidarians are dipoblastics, have organized tissue, undergo extracellular digestion, and use cnidocytes for protection and to capture prey. The phylums Snophora. Snophores are free-swimming, transparent, jelly-like, soft-bodied marine animals having bipedal symmetry. For example, the jellyfish. And the phylum Ascomyces, which are pseudocolumnate, bilaterally symmetrical, tripoblastic, unsegmented, vermiform organ system grade of construction with the complete digestive tubes.
The next one is the class. First we have the aves. They are the birds that are warm-blooded. Then the fishes that are cold-blooded, aquatic vertebrates with fins and gills. The reptilia that are mostly crocodiles. Then the mammalia that are vertebrate animals that are warm-blooded. They have large brains, which makes them quick learners. Then amphibia, animals with smooth. Then there are another classes that are the arthropoda of the arthropoda phylum, the arachnida, that they have 8 legs, and some of them are spiders, mites, scorpions, and ticks. The crustacea, they have mandibles and 2 pairs of antennae, and many of them have 5 pairs of walking legs. Insectia, this is made mainly of insects, and these animals also possess 1 pair of antennae and mandibles. Chilopoda, they are the centipedes and have 1 part of the body in the front that some species have poison on it. Diplopoda, they are like Chilopoda, but instead of centipedes are millipedes.
Order. Order is the taxonomic rank used in classifying organisms, generally below the class, and comprised of families sharing a set of similar nature or character. The order generally classifies the organism very general. These are the next types of classification of order in Animalia. In the Mammalia class, there are Chiroptera, which are bats, primates, carnivora, cetacea, which are whales, insects, and more. In the Reptalia class, there are Squamata, which are lizards, snakes, and amphibians, Testudines, which are turtles and tortoise, Crocodila, and more. In fish, they are Cyprinoforms, which are rapine fish, Beloniforms, freshwater fish, Carcaniforms, which are sharks, and more. In the birds class, they are Falconiforms, hawks, eagles, and falcons, Anseriforms, which are geese, swans, and ducks, Pisiforms, which are woodpeckers, and more types. In insects, they are Coleptera, which are beetles, Hymenoptera, which are ants and bees and wasps, and finally Lepidoptera, which are butterflies and moths.
The families. The definition of family is one of the 8 major hierarchical taxonomic ranks in linear taxonomy. It is classified between order and genus. A family may be divided into subfamilies, which are intermediate ranks between the ranks of family and genus. For example, in the class of birds, it exists the family of the Latidae, that are gulls. In the class of fish, they exist the family of Polyprionidae. In the class of reptilia, it exists the family of Alligatoridae, which means alligators or caimans. In the class of mammalia, it exists the family of the Bodidae bos taurus, that are the cows and the gazelles and the sheep. In the class of familia, in the class of amphibia, it exists the family of Ambystomatidae, that are salamanders. And that's it. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day.